how can I create a nice signature like this in Google Docs quickly in just a few seconds? Now, if you try drawing a signature directly in Google Docs, it might end up looking like this. The quality is poor with gaps between the lines where they cross. I'll show you an alternative way to create a better signature in Google Docs. First, create a new document by tapping the Google Docs icon until the menu appears, then select New Document. Minimize the keyboard. Use 3 fingers to center the screen and take a screenshot. Tap the screenshot result. In the bottom left corner, you'll find color options. I'll choose black here. Then, sign your name in the white space. Don't forget to crop your signature so it's not too wide, making it easier to position and resize later. Save your signature by pressing the OK button at the top right corner. Open the document you want to sign and enter edit mode. Place the cursor at the location where you want to insert the signature image. This will make the image easier to handle. Press the insert button, then choose Image from Photos. Select your signature image. And tap your inserted signature in Google Docs. Look at the bottom menu and select Text Wrap. Behind text, adjust the signature size and position it as needed. This helps you customize the signature's placement in your document. Pretty easy, right? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips.